Here's problem 55. Read it and pause the video, find your own answer, and then hit play. Alright, the answer to number 55 is D. So if you got it right, move on. If not, or if you want to know why, here we go. Alright, this is a trig question. And whenever you're talking about negative trig numbers, it's usually best to try to picture or draw the unit circle. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can just sketch it. Okay, so some things that we know about the unit circle. We know that each point on the circle is cosine of that angle, comma, sine of that angle. Here, we want to know cosine. So we're going to focus on the x value of each point. Okay, and it's asking us about this negative value of cosine. Well, all of this part of the circle is on the positive side of the x-axis. So all of these cosines on this side are positive. So it's none of these. Alright, so from 0 to pi over 2, or from 3 pi over 2 to 0 have been eliminated, which eliminates A, B, and C. All we're left with is D and E. D asks about this area from pi over 2 to 2 pi over 3. And E asks about from 2 pi over 3 to pi, which is here. Alright, so the next question is, which range does this cosine fit into? Here, the point is 0, 1, so cosine is 0. Here the point is negative 1/2 root 3 over 2. So the cosine is negative 1/2, or negative 0.5. And then down here, the point is negative 1, 0. So that's our cosine. So the question is negative 0.385 between 0 and negative 0.5, or between negative 0.5 and negative 1? Alright, if it's in this area, then this is our solution. If it's in this area, then E would be the right answer. Now, a little note, if you don't know what cosine of pi over 2 is, your calculator will tell you. Just make sure that it's in radians and not degrees. It'll have a little R-A-D on it. If it's in degrees, you need to type in 90 degrees. Same way with 2 pi over 3.